visualize your rotations. That's pretty cool. But, how would you describe a rotation?
It spins.
It spins. It's like a spin, like a turn.
Yeah.
Okay? A rotation is a turn. When it asks for 90 degrees, 180, and 270, those are the rules that we use. We don't do other ones, just those three. When it says counterclockwise, show me with your hands.
This way.
So clocks go this way, right?
Yes.
So counterclockwise means it's going this way. Okay? So that means we're going like that.
Are you sure?
So, if I look at this first one, and I'm going to go 90 degrees up. I need to do rules too, but that's okay. Where do you think I'm going to end up if I'm starting here? Like the top, bottom, left, right, what?
Top right.
It's in the top right, kind of.
Yeah.
It's gonna go more top right.
More top right?
Kind of in the.
So we're going to bring it this way, 90 degrees.
Is that what the dumb thing we were doing yesterday?
Does it rotate on
Does it what? Okay. So, counterclockwise, okay? Our rules, remember we write them with this XY stuff. If it's going 90 degrees, and these are all counterclockwise, so if it goes 90 degrees counterclockwise, our rule, our ordered pairs XY become negative Y, X. I will give you these rules on our quizzes and tests. Just an FYI. So what that means, if I have XY, it becomes negative YX. I'm going to flip them, and then what was Y is going to be our negative Y. Okay? If it goes 180 degrees, our XY becomes negative X, negative Y. I like that one, because it just makes them both negative. You don't flip anything. And then 270, that's almost all the way around. Our XY becomes Y, negative X. So again, we're going to swap places. And then whatever your first number is, we're just going to make it negative. Okay. Yeah.
So does that mean that the Y would now be the X?
Yes.
Okay.
That's exactly what it means. So let's look at this point. Let's start with L. It says L is 2, 2. In my rule is negative YX, okay? So 2 is my X, 2 is also my Y. So when I flip them and make my Y negative,
Negative 2Y. No, negative 2, 2.
Okay.
So what if it's already a negative? Would it be a positive?
Yes. So like, yeah, you just change the sign of it. Yep. So M starting is 6, negative 2. And this is XY. So what is new M? What's the first one going to be? 2. Why is it a positive 2? Yeah, because it says make it negative. So my negative 2 is negative 2 is a positive 2. And then you're just swapping, so negative ground factor, positive 2. What about N? What's N's new for going to be? Good. Negative 3, 5. This is off again. Okay, so plot those points.
I feel like it's easier to find the element in it. You just gotta find it first.
Okay.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
if these, so for the next one, if these are already,
Hold on. Until the next one. Jason looks like that.
Yes.
So it's rotated
Mm-hmm.
90 degrees. Okay. This one we're going 180. So where do you think it's gonna be? Top, bottom, left, right? Yes,
it's gonna
ma'am.
be wait. Negative.
If we go 180 degrees. It's like half a circle. So if it's up here, is it gonna be here? Here? Here?
Right. Bottom.
Bottom right, yes. Okay, so this one, our rule's really fun. We're just making everything negative. So if I start with P is negative 5, 5,
It's gonna be positive 5, negative.
positive 5, negative 5. Good. How about Q's coordinates?
1, negative 6.
1, negative 6, and how about ours?
7, negative
7, negative 1. Plot them. I just don't get how I can collaborate it. Or not collaborate it. Calibrate it. And then it's already off. Actually,
Maybe the board is dumb.
what?
Maybe the board's dumb.
Board is dumb, probably.
It's a dumb board.
Exactly.
Yeah, in our 8th grade class, my science teacher had such an issue with it, so instead of smartboard, he just took a big piece of paper and just slapped it on there. It was great. Wasn't that much.
Questions on 10? Okay. Look at number 11. If I'm going 270, our rule is xy becomes y negative x. One of the common things that I see is that you guys, like, people will flip them, and then they'll make the new thing a negative, when it was supposed to be the one to start with. I don't know, that probably didn't make any sense.
So,
Yeah, it did, because when he switches over, when you swip them. When you flip them, they try to make the y negative.
Yeah,
so-
instead of making the x negative. Yeah, so you got me.
negative 4.
Okay, so if I have 1, negative 4, what should my new coordinate be?
Negative 1.
Negative 4, negative 1. Good. So making the x negative, maybe make it negative first and then flip it? Maybe that will solve some problems. How about x new coordinates?
Negative 2, negative 1.
They're just both.
And then flip. So you made the x negative, now we gotta flip it.
Negative 2.
Perfect. Negative 1, negative 2. How about g?
Negative 3, negative 8.
What'd you say?
Negative 3, negative 8.
Good. Negative 3, negative 8. And h?
Negative 6.
Negative 6, negative 7.
Good. Negative 6, negative 7. Plot them. Oh, that's why. I was like, ugh. Make sure you get in the habit of labeling. Were you good there? No? Okay, if I'm going 180, what am I doing with each of these?
Negative, negative.
Negative, negative, so S, if it's negative 8, negative 3 should be
Negative 8 and 3.
8 and 3, both positive. So just flipping it, switching the signs, not flipping them. T's new coordinates,
3, 1.
3, 1, U,
Negative 2, 3.
negative 2, 3, and V,
3, 5.
3, 5. Plot them. Okay, go on that one. 13, 90 degrees counterclockwise. What's my rule?
Negative yx.
Negative yx. Again, I would make it negative first, then flip. So, if a is negative 7, 4, what should my new coordinates be? And then
Negative
flip.
4, negative 4.
Yes, perfect. Negative 4, negative 7. How about b? It's negative 2, 1.
Negative 1, negative 2.
Red. 3, or c?
3, 3, 1, negative 1.
3, negative 1, and then d?
4, negative 5.
Perfect. Okay. Last one, it tells me I'm going 90 degrees clockwise off the origin. What's different about that one?
Clockwise.
It's clockwise. So, if I, like, let's say I start here, and if I go 90 degrees clockwise, well, all these rules are counterclockwise. How many degrees do I go counterclockwise to get to the same place? 270. So 90 degrees clockwise is the same as 270 counterclockwise. CC.
What?
So 90 degrees clockwise is the same as going 270 counterclockwise.
Okay.
And these are all counterclockwise rules. So we are doing the same rule as up here, right? Sure. Y negative x, yes. So if I look at x is negative 7, negative 2, what's my new x? Negative 2, 7. Good. How about y?
Negative 1, 3.
Negative 1, 3. And z? Perfect. How do we feel about rotations? Are the rules okay?